Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. Today I'm going to show you how to change the mouse cursor style in Windows. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. Alright, first click on the Start menu and go to Settings. So I'm clicking on Start menu and going to Settings. From here, select Devices and then click on Mouse. Now look for the additional mouse options on the right side. Click on that. This will open the Mouse Properties dialog box. In the Mouse Properties window, go to Pointers tab. Here you can select a scheme from the Scheme drop-down menu to change your entire cursor set. Choose the style you like, such as Windows Black or Windows Inverted, and click Apply, then OK to confirm the changes. If you want to customize individual cursors, you can click on any cursor in the list. So I'm going to additional mouse options again and selecting pointers, and after then you have to click on Browse. Here you can choose a custom cursor file from your PC. And that's it, you have successfully changed the mouse cursor style in Windows. If this tutorial helped you, please don't forget to subscribe to Mr. TECHFOX and hit that like button for more real-time problem solving videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.